Hi viewers, let us continue our topic. We have to give the loads to this. Go to define here. Here in define, we have to go to the load patterns. We have to view here as different types of loads first of all we have to give the seismic loads. In this, earthquake load in x direction. Okay. Here we have to give the code as IS 1893-2002. Okay. Just click on add new load. Here also I want to give the earthquake load in z direction. Same, add it. And next go to wind load. In wind load, wind in x direction. Here we have to give the code of IS. Here we have to give the Indian IS 1875-1987. Just click on add new load, and again it will be earthquake direction. Wind in z direction. Just click on add it, and next go to dead load and live load. It will be here. Okay. Just click on okay. Next go to modify loads. First of all we have to modify this. Go to modify lateral loads. Here earthquake in x direction, so we will be like this. We have only right mark in x direction. Give the code in category as 3. Okay, just click on OK. Next go to second load, modify it. Here earthquake in y direction, z direction. Sorry, here earthquake in y direction only. Okay, these are okay. It will be 2 or 3. Click on OK. Here earthquake in y direction it will be. Next wind load, go to modify lateral loads. Here we have to give the wind load as 44, basic wind level. Terrain is 3 or 4 as you wish. Just click on OK. Again, next go to wind load. Here also wind load, basic wind load will be 44. Okay, it will be terrain like 3. It will be okay. Just click on OK. Like this. Just click on OK. After that, we have to assign these loads. Okay. Next, we have to assign the loads. Go to assign. Here we have the joint loads. Force. Here we have the dead load for joint loads. Just give here as 1. One for this all. And here we have the 3 options: add to existing loads, replace existing loads, delete existing loads. Here I want to select the add to existing loads. Why? Because here no load is applied before. So if any load applied, we have to select the replace that applied existing load. If you want to delete, you have to delete the existing load. Just click on apply and click on OK. Okay, first of all we have to select this. Go to select option. In this select, go to stories. Select all. In here we have to apply this. Click on apply and click on OK. And close it. Yes, here this is our self weight on joints. Self weight only on joints. Why? Because in SN we have to select the joint loads only. In SN, here we select the joint loads only. Next we have to go to the frame loads. In frame loads, go to distributor loads. Distributor loads for these beams, columns and slabs. So first of all we have to take the dead load, add the existing load. Before that we want to select these beams. Go to select option. Go to select. Here we have to go to stories. Okay, first of all. Again go to select. Here go to. Here we want to select the property. Go to properties. Here we have the option of frame sections, and in these frame sections we have to select the beam. Just click on select and click on close. Here we have to give for dead beams. Dead load will be how much beams are 0.35 by 0.35 into 25. So it will be 3.0625. Just click on apply and click on OK. Yes, here it will be applied like this. Okay, next we have to done the same manner for columns. Go to select option and select here. Go to select here and go to properties. Here we have the frame sections. In frame sections we have to select the columns. Select it and close it. Again go to assign. Here we have to select the frame loads, distributor loads. For columns, here also dead load, add to existing load. For columns, we want to give the 0.4 by 0.4 into 25. How much it will be? So here we have to give for columns as 4 or 4.025. Just click on apply and click on OK. And here it will be applied like this for a columns. Next for slab and apply loads for a slab. Go to, first of all we have to select this. Just select option. Here we have the options of properties. Go to slab section and here you have to select the slab 150 and click on select, click on OK. And next we have to go to assign. Here go to frame loads, distribution load. 1 minute. Go to assign. Here we have to select the shell loads. In shell loads go to uniform loads. It will be add to existing load, and here 0.15 is a slab thickness and concrete density will be 25. Here it will be 3.75. Just click on apply and click on OK. It will be applied to the slab sections. Okay, just close it. Again go to select the slabs for a live loads. Okay, here just select the slabs. Go to properties, slab section, slab 150 and click on select. Okay, just close it. Here all our slab sections will be selected and go to assign. Here go to frame loads and distribution load. Here we have to change the load as live load, and here we have to go to assign. Here we have to give the shell load. Why? Because the live load are acting upon slabs only. Here we have to give the uniform loads. Here we have to change the dead load as live load and give the live load as 2.5. Just click on apply and click on OK. Close it. Here it will be applied like this. Okay. Next of all, we have to apply the first. You have to select all, and here we have to assign the loads of etiquette load in x direction. It is the half of the live load 1.25. Add to existing loads. Just click on apply and click on OK. Okay. Here it will be applied like this 1.25. Okay. Next of all, we have to apply the, again we have to select all. For ethnic loads, select all, assign. Here we have to give the shell loads in uniform. Okay, here it will be ethnic in Z direction, it is also 1.25. Here you have to change the, sorry, it is in ethnic in Y direction. Okay, global Y. Just click on add to existing loads. Just click on apply and click on OK and close it. Okay. Next of all, we have to select all. Again go to assign. Here we have to give the initial loads wind pressure coefficient. For wind load in x direction, it will be 0.86. Here just click on apply and click on OK. Just close it. Next, again we have to select the all. If not, you have to click on Ctrl A for select all and go to assign. Here we have to select the shell loads. This is uniform load, and in this also, sorry, go to assign shell loads wind pressure coefficient. In here it will be wind load in the direction, it will be also in 0.86. Add to existing loads or replace the existing loads. Just click on apply and click on OK. Just close it. Okay, here all our wind load and etiquette loads, dead load and live load all are applied. Next we have to apply load combinations. Load combinations means we have to combine one or two loads with suitable loads, with suitable amount of loads, suitable capacity, like means different types of loads are used in these combinations. In different load combinations, the suitable load factor will be taken. The suitable load factor will be available in the code of IS 456 and IS 875, like that. So here go to load combinations. In define option we have to go to load combinations. In load combinations we have to add default design points. In this we have to select the concrete frame design. Just click on OK. Here we have 26 types, 26 are taken. I'm sorry, here only 18. Okay, just click on OK. Okay. Here in this we have different types of will be taken like this. In this, just click on OK. Here the different types of loads are activated to this building. Okay. Next of all we have to apply the supports to this building, and further steps and like how to apply supports and how to analyze this, it will be discussed in our next video. Okay, in this video we have complete the how to take a loads, how to apply a loads, assign these loads to this building. Okay, thank you.